Okay, so here is a really cool shoulder mobility move that my fellow trainer here, Kyle, just came up with, and I think it's totally awesome. So I'm going to share it with you guys. It's kind of like an overhead, well, it's an overhead kettlebell carry, but with a little extra help from the other side here. So let me show you. So with these overhead carries, you often run into people who lean this way, this isn't strong enough, their mobility isn't good enough to be able to get it right over their head. So he's adding this arm here behind the head and just kind of giving you a little extra stability here. So it helps keep your arm locked out, and then you can walk, forward and back, you can go side to side. You can do your little grapevines that I like to do. And you can just work that shoulder and keep it in that range of motion. And in this position, which is really hard to stabilize and hold, so you can actually work that under load. So, super cool. And mad props to Kyle for coming up for that.